Hi friends, hello friends, this is my channel and today we are just admiring nature. We have trees around, they are green in color, they are flourishing, they are beautiful, they are so nice, they look so beautiful. It's nice to behold the beauty of nature. You know, in 6 days God said, let there be, and there was. And when I look around, I see the grass, I see the ground, I see the plants. They look so lovely. And this indicates the love of God. It tells us of how much God loves and cares for us. There's nothing good like the love of God. And for this reason, I feel so nice to be loved by Christ. Look at this tree. It looks so beautiful, so nice. You know, God is so loving and caring. What a beautiful thing to be always beside our Creator. What a beautiful thing to always feel loved and to be called a child of God. You know, God is the creator of the universe. He's God of all, the Lord of lords, the King of kings. And when we are loved by such a kind of person, we feel so nice. We feel so wonderful. We feel like we need to be with Him always. And always nature will always tell us more about this God we are serving. Remember, just someone said, let there be. And there was this beautiful plant here, blooming and flourishing with beauty. It's so lovely. And I know God also created us in a lovely way. And we humans, we need to appreciate that. We need to behold the love of Christ. No matter how far we have gone far